finished design for my new business card. I was tweaking it so much, you know, trying to figure out colours and placement, but I just wanted to keep it quite simple, and I included a link to my Etsy shop, my Instagram and my YouTube. So I'm just on Vistaprint and I'm gonna order a bunch of business cards. So yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. Not sure how well you can see that in camera, but yeah, I'm really excited. So I'll probably show you in another vlog when they do arrive. So it's gonna cost me $23.19. That's in Australian dollars. And that's gonna give me 250. So I just did some sketching outside, which was really nice, although I got really bad hay fever. Actually, my eyes were like streaming with tears. I couldn't even see. By the way, Cookie's just sitting on my desk because he kind of wanted to get up here. So, but anyway, I've just had my wrap, and I've also just got some oranges, which I cut up, which I'm really excited to eat. I love oranges. But I thought I haven't made any new stickers for my shop in a little while, since my surfboard sticker, if you saw that. So I just uploaded a little cute illustration, which I did a little while back, and I just thought I would make a really cute sticker. Basically, it's just this illustration. She's so cute. I actually did her inspired by a Halloween mood board. So this was last year that I drew her, but that's the little board I put together, and then I created her from that board. So yeah, she's kind of like Halloween inspired, although she doesn't exactly look like Halloween, but I did her hair like, they're meant to be like kind of inspired by the pumpkins. But yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd make some stickers. So yeah, I also went to office work yesterday and I picked up some of these. It's not really important, but I only just wanted like the light pink, but they didn't have any just light pink ones. So I just had to get this pack, which is quite pretty, but I probably just use light pink the most. But I was so excited when I went into office works yesterday. There were so many things I just wanted to buy and look at, like things I don't actually need, but when I go into office works, there's like all these new pens and brand new sketchbooks and paints and things, and I just wanted to like get everything. I don't know why he just wants to wander around my desk, by the way. He always tries to jump off my lap when I sit here, and then straight away he tries to walk onto my desk, so I just kind of let him. What's going on with this? What is all this Microsoft stuff that's popped up? I wanted the beach in the background. Anyway, I'm going to create the sticker now, or eat my oranges, then create the sticker. So just saved it as a GMP, I was going to say PNG, and then I'm going to email it to myself on that computer, and then take it into Cricut. morning everybody, welcome back, it's the same vlog. It's now Monday. Just come to the post office because I've got an Etsy order to post. So Kim actually ordered the avocado bookmarks. I'll put a picture here, coffee girl bookmark and the little coffee sticker, and this is going to be sent out to Australia. Then after that I just want to pop into Coles over there as well because I need to get some salad for a stir fry. Made some yesterday and we ran out, so I just want to go and get some more of that, and then I want to take Cookie for a walk. I'm about to draw my next Disney princess. If you didn't know, I was starting a little drawing series of Disney princesses, which I think I'm going to do about maybe 5 or 6 of them in total, but this is how far I've got so far. So I found this picture of Ariel, thought she looked really pretty, I love the dress, so that's the one I'm working on right now. Still trying to get the sketch down, but I'm just going to start filming it anyway, another chill draw with me video, so if you missed the first one I'll link it up here. Yet again, he wants to come up on my lap, probably just so he can walk on the desk. But yeah, I am just literally working on Ariel right now. I really love how she's coming out so far. I think she looks so pretty. I'm really happy with the face as well. Like, it just came out so well. I've also got my tea, and now he is trying this side of me. Cookie! So I've just uploaded the stickers that I made in this video onto Etsy, so I'll leave a link below if you want to go and check it out. But I just went and got my book. This is the current book I'm reading. It's called Beach Read. I know it's called Beach Read because there's not to do with a beach or anything, but for some reason it's taken me a really long time to get through this. I'm that much way through. I'm actually using this bookmark, which is the one I just packed for my Etsy order, so it's all a bit bent at the top though. I don't know if I'm just going through a phase or I'm just not into reading as much. But I also thought maybe it's because I keep reading the book right before I'm about to go to sleep, and I'm so tired that my eyes start dropping off as I'm reading it, and then maybe the pages are not sinking in, and then I'm just not fully investing into the story as much. So yeah, I kind of just want to get through it. What are your thoughts on this? Has anyone else read this? This is the first time I've read this author as well, Emily Henry. Yeah, I'm just excited to finish this now because I want to go and buy another book. If you have any recommendations, actually let me know. But I think it'll be exciting to read something else, something different. Maybe it will spark my inspiration again. I really loved Verity by Colin Hoover. Really, really loved that book. Like, I was obsessed with it. I was reading it in the daytime and everything, and I got through it really, really quickly. So it's funny because I never used to be like a big reader. I used to like reading like self-development books more than storybooks, but I tried to get myself into it recently and I've been liking it and I've been enjoying finding some new books. So, but anyway, I'm going to end my vlog here and I'm going to continue filming another vlog tomorrow for another week. So make sure you subscribe if you enjoy my vlogs. Let me know if you enjoy them, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!